What is this? Bunny virgin duck thinks she is creative. Boo! What do you need, master? Gamer girl bathwater. Opinion slash what I want to hear. I guess I can look.
I want to die.
I guess it's time for duck hunting. Ducking noises.
Please give me huggy wuggies.
Please don't rip out my soul, you Satanist. Be right back, gamer. Isaac. Hey.
Spaghetti!
Better fat ass over here, we need you to.
Did somebody say sweep? I'm a sweep, sweep, sweep.
I am dead. Not a big surprise.
Now that thought's over, it's Luigi time. Oh shit, where is the cat? Isaac.
Me.
We need your help.
This place become a whorehouse.
I told you to hide the body. What up, Attack of the Clone War? The body behind you.
Freeze, motherfucker.
Heroes never die.
Don't be rude to my friend.
Jesus Christ, no. Finally, thought's over. Whores. I'm done with you, Yankee Doodly Dandy asses. Get off my.
Suck.
If you don't get down, I'm going to teabag your son.
What's the situation, Chuck?
Nothing besides spying on the Girl Scouts and reforming dark magic. My voice is different because gay baby's so sad. I have been watching and I have made a discovery. But I cannot tell you because it is so secret and I believe it holds the holy hold and that may be a way to delete Copa for good.
Holy Toledo, we need to tell the Caprell yes.
I have found IT.
Wait, what happened to your voice? Ha ha ha. How did you get my voice, Sonic Fan Frig?
I am everyone in one.
Yes, it is I, Susan. Why, who the hell care? It is so easy to deceive you. I don't know how you became a spy. I will game end you, Susan. I hope you know that. What a foolio, Susan.